It's really hot.
Yeah.
In the Indian teepee, it's too hot.
Hi guys! Today is our what? 4th day here in Bantayan. Buang mas yan. Look at my hair! Oh my goodness! Alright, so today is our 4th day. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go out and I don't know, chill something. I'll be back later. Hi guys, so we are now for our lunch for the day. Our first meal actually. A good meal, right Daddy?
Small ones, yeah. Get the small ones. Get the big ones, I mean.
Ayan.
There you go.
Hi.
Big ones. Get the big
Hi.
ones. There you go.
And you can eat, do you wanna eat rice?
Yeah, you like rice.
And do you,
You like that sauce, right?
I love that sauce.
See?
that's
Try
the
some.
food, huh?
Okay. Say grace.
Say grace? Okay. There you go.
Lord, thank you for this food we're about to receive. Please keep this family safe, sane, watch over us, watch over our friends and family no longer with us. Please keep us free of injury, accident, disease, and death and blessings in our time. Thank you, Lord. Okay, you want rice?
You can have rice if you want.
Want
Yeah.
some rice?
Mmm.
Good, right?
Yummy.
Delicious.
Alright, good. Delicious. Now we got our tea here. Sizzling chicken. Garlic rice. Plain rice.
Ooh.
Chicken nuggets.
Yummy.
Which Yanyan is already eating. Okay, bon appetit! Hi guys! So, after that big, delicious lunch, we got full stomach. And now we're resting. And Yanyan have his dessert. Okay, we got his drumstick here at the umbrella. The umbrella, I don't know, covered area, which is really good. It's a, you know, how to call it, fake grass here. See, like that fake grass, well maintained, no trash. Everything is very clean. We love the resort. There's insects are well managed, which is pretty good. We recommend this place, you guys. It's, you know, GHR. Remember that. Book that in your list next time if you're gonna come here in Bantayan Island.
How can you feel? Don't eat it.
Back to where I am. Is yan.
That's why
Back to your ice cream. Okay, Daddy's there, walking.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
In the Indian teepee, it's too hot.
Yeah, come on, drink na kay Hatman.
No, I don't. I don't think.
Last night, here in Bantayan, dinner with the funk bum. Alright, last night you guys at Coco's Bar, right, love?
Coco's Bar and Grill. Coco's Bar. Got my sandwich. Oh, you two might not like it. Oh well.